go. Hello. Hey, look, I got myself a vacuum setup, and I'm gonna be making a bunch of videos about what you can do with it. In this video, I'm making these gas-filled glowing tubes or something like this. Let's go. So this is the vacuum pump I'm using. It's two-stage rotary vane pump with gauge setup used for air conditioner refilling. This is my Argon tank used for welding. This is a plasma globe generator for glowing things. First I designed it, 3D printed some adapters like this is used for connecting tank to vacuum system with plumbing seals. And this adapter used for connecting test tubes to vacuum system again. This is how it works. This is a vacuum tight seal. Okay, let's go. Let's actually evacuate the air from it and see what happens. And surprisingly, it glows straight away. That wasn't expected. It was way easier than I thought. It's just air, there's not even gas inside. So this is low pressure air, and it glows straight away if you make pressure low enough. It's cool to play around. Also, these valves are convenient because you can close them and then separate the tube from the rest of the system, and it still remain its contents, so you can play around even more. Okay, let's try to add some argon in it. For this, I'm opening the blue valve. Then evacuating air. Then adding some argon. The cool thing is that I'm not even using gas reducer or anything to regulate the pressure. Just the main valve on that tank is precise enough to do this if you're careful enough. Look, the higher the pressure, the thinner the argon strand thingy. Here's two gases side by side. And here I'm using my unfinished Tesla coil at low power to glow the tube with argon. It kinda looks like neon sign, which is the point. Okay, now I'll show you how to seal those tubes. So for this is actually the tricky part. I designed and built this custom glasswork lathe thingy machine, whatever. It clamps to a table, it can compress and stretch glass while rotating it, and it has touchscreen. Yeah. I'm using simple torch. This is like graphite rod used for welding. First I'm narrowing the tube, making a thin neck, then I'm evacuating the air, make it glow, then I seal it. Easy enough. Important part, you have to let glass to cool really slowly, otherwise it will crack. Now let's see how it glows in the RF field. Looks interesting and pretty. Let's make the same with argon. Make a thin neck with ambient pressure, then evacuate the air. Let some gas in. Look at the gauge right now. Okay, then close the valve, then disconnect it from the system. Then seal it. Well, that seal went pretty ugly, but it's test tubes, who cares? It works. So here's the end result. Let's give my Tesla coil like half the power, I mean more power, and see how it glows. This is even better, right? Don't worry, this doesn't hurt at all. Tesla coil is pretty safe if you don't lick it. Anyway, that's it for today. If you want to see... I mean, this is like the early stage experience. I'm just starting to get into the vacuum stuff. And if you want to see more, like big plasma globes or toroids or vacuum tubes or something, stick around and subscribe. I will be doing that in the near future. Bye! Do I need do I need another round of this? All right. I don't know.